We want to thank you guys for tuning in for another segment of the James Ayers Show, folks. I'm your host, James Ayers, and we're broadcasting live right here, right now from Dallas, Texas, folks, for another segment of the all-new James Ayers Show, folks. Again, I'm your host, James Ayers. Man, when I tell you we got a great show in store for you guys tonight, Listen, today we're going to be talking about something that's pretty, really simple, folks. We're going to be talking about the James Ayers Do-It-Yourself Marketing Campaign. We're talking about something that you can do on your own, for free, from the privacy of your own home, folks. And again, folks, like I said, it don't cost you a dime, folks. So today we're going to be talking about that, folks. Before I get started on that, folks, listen, I have to tell you why I feel like this has worked for me. I have to tell you why this has worked for me. Folks, I was blessed before, folks, to be in the company of what I would call a really great mentor. His name was Bob Cantwell, folks. And, you know, I would always come to Bob Cantwell and tell him, hey, listen, I want to be immensely successful. I want to be like you, Bob. I literally want to be like this guy. And he would tell me, he's like, yeah, James, well, I get it, you know, but nothing that you're showing me is making sense. Nothing that you're showing me is showing me that you want to be successful. I said, well, I don't understand what you mean. I'm showing up every day. He said, no, James, listen, you can show up to any football game, but if you ain't trying to win, then guess what? You just showed up you like a fan. You just showed up. So again, folks, but one of the things Bob Cantwell told me was that, hey, listen, James, what I need you to do, folks, is I need you to every day, before you leave home, I need you to count out 25 business cards. I need you to count out 25 business cards, and I make sure before you get home, before the end of the night, that you have gotten off of every last one of those 25 business cards, folks. And I said, well, wait a minute, what do you mean? He said, listen, count out the business cards. Before you get home, make sure you have gotten off of every last one of those business cards. And I asked him, I said, well, hey, Bob, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Bob. Are you it's 25 is a lot of business cards. He said, well, yeah, listen, hey, I understand. But listen, if you're telling me you want to be immensely successful, then here's what you need to do. Count out 25 business cards. And before you get home, make sure you have gotten rid of every last one of those business cards. And you know what? I said, you know what? You're right. So, folks, what I'm telling you is this, folks, that is one of the key steps that made me immensely successful, folks, because, again, that is what we call, that's the marketing campaign, folks. That is your marketing campaign, folks. And today, that simple step right there alone, folks, that is what I call the James Ayers Do-It-Yourself Marketing Campaign, folks. And listen, if you don't do the marketing, folks, then guess what? It's just like you showing up for the game, folks, and then nobody's even there, folks. There's no need for you to even show up. So the marketing is important for you, folks. And so listen, something else I need you guys to understand. And so, folks, while you're out doing the marketing, folks, listen, you are the brand ambassador, okay? You're going to be the first person that the customer is going to see. You're also going to be the last person the customer will see. Well, that's, of course, unless you got a driver or you've got a staff. But again, if you're just now starting out in business like I was back then, folks, I was the only one. I was a secretary. I was the accountant. I was the maintenance guy. I was a janitor. I was a salesperson, folks. I had to do it all by myself, folks. And I need to tell you today, if that is not what you're trying to do, and you're not trying to be the salesperson, you're not trying to be the baker, you're not trying to be the guy that's cutting the hair, you're not trying to be the guy that's driving the truck, or you're not trying to be the accountant, folks, in your business, then I need you to go ahead and stop right now while you're ahead, because you're about to lose a lot of money. It's going to be like Maid Day for an airplane, folks. It's going down. I need you to stop right now, folks, because in the interim, unless you're blessed with that silver bag, that big bag, that money bag, that bag that's going to afford you to pay for somebody to be your marketing campaign, that bag that's going to allow you to be hire an accountant, that bag that's going to allow you to go and hire multiple employees What I can tell you, folks, you may as well go ahead and stop right now, because again, you're in the process of setting yourself up for failure, folks. And again, you cannot do this unless you're willing to jump off of that bridge and dive all the way in head first, folks. But again, you got to be confident enough to know that before you hit the ground, then you're going to catch wings and you're going to flap those wings and fly like an eagle. So, folks, again, with the marketing campaign, folks, is one of the most important things in the business, folks. This particular process that I'm showing you, the James Area do-it-yourself marketing campaign, this is 100% foolproof. That's right. It's free, and it doesn't matter what industry you're in, folks. You can have your own lawn service. You can have your own massage therapist, folks. You could be a baker shop, barber, restaurant, real stuff, folks. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. This particular do-it-yourself marketing campaign is industry specific all the way across the board. However, before you can jump off into it, folks, I need to tell you, though, that if you don't do it, then your business will fail. Your business needs the marketing. Your business needs marketing. It's got to have it, folks. Let me give you an example, folks. Just say, for instance, that you went out, you bought a Ferrari. You bought a Ferrari, you went to the dealership, you picked it out, you had a color picked out or whatever. Yeah, it's pink. Yeah, she likes pink. We like pink. All right, folks, so don't trip. But anyway, if you went in and picked out a Ferrari, folks, and you went and looked at the Ferrari, folks, and you picked the Ferrari out and you never put any gas in it, and you drove it right across some ghetto person and left it right on your front lawn, I can tell you that this officially has become a lawn ornament. Okay, I want to soak you in this. I'm going to make sure you understand it, folks. If you go buy a Maserati, if you go and buy a Ferrari and you park it across your lawn, you may as well get your Christmas lights ready, get your bow ready, and sit back and wait on Santa Claus, folks, because you have just created a lawn ornament. However, I can tell you this: the minute that you go and you decide to put gasoline into this Ferrari, folks, you officially have a high-powered, an Italian sports car, folks, that will outrun any and most vehicles on the highway today, folks. So again, folks, listen, don't forget the marketing. The marketing is very important, folks. You can't do without it, folks. So, folks, again, listen. And while you're out doing your marketing campaign, while you're out passing your business cards, folks, I'm here to tell you, listen, you are going to get some no's. On my next video, folks, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how the no's work. I'm going to show you why we as human use that two-letter word that seems to be so powerful that most of us will listen to before we listen to a full sentence. I'm going to show you how that word has become and is so powerful, folks. But while you're out there passing out your business cards, I need you to know you're going to get some no's. Then maybe they're not needing your services right now. Okay. Maybe they've already got someone to do what you're doing that may be screwing up. They're going to tell you no. But folks, what I need you to understand, because they're telling you no, it literally doesn't mean that they're telling you no, folks. It basically means that they're telling you not yet, folks. And if you can overcome that simple two-lettered word, the letter N and the letter no, and you can do that, folks, then again, you're going to master the James Area marketing campaign, folks, and your business, not only your business is going to grow, but your business is going to be immensely successful, folks, and you're going to be able to hire new employees, and you're going to be able to do the things that you need to do in order for you to be immensely successful, folks. And so, again, what I can tell you is, folks, Don't forget the marketing. The marketing is the key, folks. If you don't do nothing else, make sure you do the marketing, because the marketing is just as important. Marketing is important like a fish needing water. That fish got to have that water. And that fish decides to jump out that water and don't feel like it don't need no water anymore. I hope it jump right in my frying pan, because I'm going to cook him. It's going to be toast. Same thing is going to happen to your business, folks, if you don't do the marketing. The marketing is very important. It's one of the most important things in business. I think that under customer service comes your marketing campaign, because again, I put customer service first, because if you don't have good customer service and you've done all the marketing, you've done your marketing campaign, it's been perfect, before anybody ever comes back to you, folks, then guess what? You can hang it up. 9 times out of 10, they won't come back, because your customer service was awful. So what I'm telling you is, folks, the higher the customer service, folks, is going to be the actual marketing, because the marketing actually drives the people into the business. All right. So, folks, again, listen, I'm your host, James here, man. And again, it's been great. I had a great time just, sharing you some of these, dropping these dimes, these jewels, this game right here on you, folks. Again, I'm your host, James here, man. Listen, I'm going to always challenge you guys. I'm going to challenge you guys to be something bigger and greater than what you are, folks. Listen, I need to ask you guys one question before you go. Listen, tell me, drop me a comment in the comment section, folks. Tell me, what follower are you following? I got to soak you in this and make sure you understand. I got to soak you in it like a super soaker. What follower are you following? Who is it that you're following, folks? What benefits, or what are they, how are they helping you to be great, dominant, the GOAT in your life right now? I need you to answer that question for me. Drop me a line in the comment, folks. Listen, if you guys want to follow me, okay, if you want me to take you along with me, folks, while I'm going out and I'm doing the James Air Do-It-Yourself marketing campaign, folks, listen, let me know, and I'll go ahead and create a video just specifically for you. I believe if you're able to see it like I am, if I can see it, folks, I guarantee you that I can get the job done. So, again, if that's something that you want to see, leave me a comment below, folks. Drop me a comment below, folks. Again, hey, I'm your host, James Airy. Okay, we're broadcasting live for another segment of the James Airy Show, folks. And again,